Hi guys, it's Georgia and Jack from Altezza Travel, and today we are joined with a couple friends. We are currently on the outskirts of Arusha at Ngare Sero Mountain Lodge.
We're here to tell you everything you need to know about your stay here, including the accommodation, the food, and all the fun activities you could be getting up to.
Let's get started!
In the foothills of Mount Meru, Ngare Sero Mountain Lodge offers a serene escape from the city of Arusha and a perfect location before or after your safari. The dining experience was served family style, using fresh local ingredients, and you can eat at a variety of different locations around the grounds. Whether you're enjoying lunch overlooking the water or a candlelit dinner in the historic main house, the menu is full of both Tanzanian and international favorites. The lodge offers a range of accommodations, from cozy garden rooms to more secluded cottages, each thoughtfully designed to blend with the natural surroundings. So whether you're here for one night or many, you'll find comfort, quiet, and a sense of calm. Guests are also encouraged to take advantage of the variety of activities the lodge has to offer, including horse riding on the property's scenic trails. For those looking for something new, you can even learn how to play croquet on the lodge grounds. And if you're in the mood for full relaxation, the garden spa awaits, located right by the pool. Nestled among the trees, it's where you can treat yourself. I decided on a manicure. One of the most unique parts of Ngare Sero experience, however, is taking a trip on their private lake. It's quiet, still, and full of life. We spotted vibrant bird life along the reeds, which is perfect for bird enthusiasts. Ngare Sero makes it the perfect stop for anyone looking for tranquility in Tanzania. It's an accommodation that's also its own attraction.
That's a wrap at our stay here at Ngare Sero Mountain Lodge. We hope you guys had so much fun, and we hope that you choose to come stay.
And if you did love this video, please follow along on Altezza Travel for everything you need to know about your trip to Tanzania.
See you next time!
Bye!